Stock investing for beginners. My portfolio jumped over 4,000 today. Why? I'm gonna talk about 3 best S&P 500 stock setup that I like in this video, and also 3 of my favorite stocks in S&P 500. Today S&P 500 jumped by 1%. It was down in the morning, but at 2:35 p.m. it jumped. And also Nasdaq, it jumped by 2%. It was down in the morning until 2:35 p.m. It jumped. Why? Let's look at Dow Jones. It was up 0.02%. It was down until 2:35 p.m. 3 stock indices jumped at 2:35 p.m. Nasdaq has many technology stocks. S&P 500 has the best 500 companies in US. So like I said before, technology is my favorite for 2023. It's up 13.76% year to date, and S&P 500 is up 7.72%, and Dow Jones is up 2.89%. So technology is gonna outperform this year. So why did stock market jump? It's because of inflation's progress. So stock market rally as Powell sees progress of inflation. Powell said almost the same thing as in 2022 December meeting, but he said something different. He said this inflation process has started, so stock market took it as a dovish comment, and we could possibly see rate pause or possibly rate decrease next year. And Federal Reserve also increased the interest rate by 0.25%. Stock market did not like rate increases too fast, but stock market like it when they increase the rate a little bit slow, a little bit less. That's what they like. So in 2022, why did the stock market go down? It was because stock market is forward-looking. It's always forward-looking. In 2022, stock market was expecting rate increases at the end of 2022 and also 2023, and also recession in 2023. So that's why stock market was down. They crashed. But in 2023, it's a different story. Economy hasn't seen recession yet, but stock market is already recovered because stock market is expecting 6 months to 1 year in advance. So in 2024, stock market is expecting the rate pause and rate decrease and economy recovering, inflation getting much better. So we could possibly see inflation maybe 4%, 3% in 2024. That's why stock market is going up a lot in 2023. And also the stock market was sold out quite a lot in 2022. So a lot of fund managers, they have so much cash sidelines. So they're gonna put more cash in once they start to see more stock markets going up. They don't want to miss out. So let's wait and see how much stock markets can go up this year. And nothing is different compared to last year. Federal Reserve keep saying the same thing. The Fed fund rate's gonna become 4.5% to 4.75% potentially, but it's still more than 25 basis points, officials said in December. So they might increase the rate longer, that the increase gonna become smaller, but they're gonna make it longer. But in total, in absolute terms, the interest rate gonna rise more than what they expected in 2022. So stock market still go up because stock market like it when the increases a little bit. Stock market don't like it when the increase is so big and so fast. That's the main difference. So let's go and see my favorite 3 stock setups. Number 3, S&P 500 consumer discretionary. It's up 1.89% today, but I believe it's gonna outperform the other S&P 500 stock setup. Energy, utilities, materials. I don't like it for 2023. One of my favorite stocks in this stock setup is Amazon. Amazon was up 1.96% today. Year to date, it's up 22.52%. So it's going up because last year it was down over 30%. Just imagine, I bought Amazon around $80, so it's been going up. You don't need to time the bottom because you always want to catch the uptrend. When you bought it here, you never know, your stock can go down. So you never want to buy downtrend. So I always buy uptrend. Stock is going up, it's undervalued, it's a great company, it's very, very important. If you are buying overvalued company, it really doesn't matter how much stock drop. It can drop 80%. The stock can stay be overvalued. So never buy overvalued company. Always buy undervalued, fundamentally sound companies going uptrend. I like that. Another stock setup I like for 2023 is communication services setup. This setup has been added recently. It's up 1.35% today. One of the stocks that I like in this stock setup is Meta. Meta is up 2.79% today. And year to date is up 22.75%. Why did it go up significantly this year? It was down over 50% last year, and also it's a great company. The war is over. Investors are expecting for better things to come. So that's why they have been putting so much money in Meta. And there are a lot of fund managers who are sitting outside sideline right now. But remember, this stock can still go up another 30%, 40% this year because a lot of fund managers, a lot of people still have so much cash to put into the stock market. But when they see stock market going up, they don't want to miss out. A lot of FOMO is gonna kick in. FOMO means fear of missing out. So this is one of the stocks that I like for 2023. Another stock setup that I believe is gonna outperform in 2023 is technology. S&P 500 information technology setup is up 2.29% today. And one of my favorite stocks in technology setup is Nvidia. Nvidia is up 7.2% this year. Year to date is up 46.3%. 1 year, last year, is down 70%. Definitely it's down more than 30% because it just back up a lot. It already broke up the resistance. So I believe this stock gonna keep going up. Nvidia is one of my favorite stocks. They pay a little bit of dividend. Their PE ratio is high. You might think it's high, but compared to the past 5 years, their PE ratio is one of the lowest right now. Of course, you could have bought Nvidia as 120, 100, but you never want to cash downtrend. You always want to cash the stocks, really good companies going uptrend. That's how you make the most money with more certainty. In stock investing, certainty is very important. And investors pay premium for that. And you don't want to be the last one. Hey, I might just wait. Nvidia could go down. No, I don't do that. If I like the stock and the company is undervalued, I bought it, I hold it, I wait until it's overvalued. Then I sell it again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are just started out, click the link down below to get free stocks, open an account, like, share, subscribe.
Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.
If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist. Stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.